Hello friends, welcome to the Client Solutech YouTube channel. Now the topic of today is based on the question that was asked on the quora profile, and it's about, can I get paid services? Can I get reviews and feedback after hiring someone to review my profile? The question is, get ratings and reviews on website like Upwork or Freelancer. So you don't need to pay anyone, or you don't need to hire any person to give you feedback and ratings on your profile on Upwork. It will not work well in future, and it's not a good advice to give somebody that you can hire people to rank you on Upwork or to rate you highly or 5-star with 4 and 5-star feedback. It's not a genuine method to become a successful freelancer. It's possible that by doing these tricks you might get projects, 2-3 projects or 1-2 client in the beginning, but when it become your habit, using tricks will become your habit, and by only using tricks you can't become a successful freelancer. You can't make a big expand your freelance business. So it's very important that you don't do it. Don't hire anybody and don't approach or use any trick to get reviews or get ratings on Upwork or freelance website or any website. I know there are so many people doing these kind of tricks, but you can ask them or you can study them. You will find that they are not that much successful after using these tricks. Yeah, they got some projects, but in a long term it's not a successful thing to do, and it's not good, and I never suggest anyone to do it. But to solve your problem, I have an idea, and it's common. What is that? For example, you currently don't have any client, you don't have any work, you don't have any ratings. Now I already have written about the 14 tips to get your first project on Upwork. You can find it on description. But to solve your concern, I have an idea while reading your question, and it's common. What you can do is that approach offline client. If you know someone, what do I mean? If you know someone in offline, in your personal network, and they need your services, for example, they need a website. So instead of working with them offline, you can guide them or educate them to hire you on Upwork or freelance websites. It means they will hire you on Upwork. You got them offline, and now they hire you on Upwork. It's okay to communicate offline, but as a proof, you have the proof that the same client giving you the work, and they will give you the ratings and reviews, of course, if you do their work very well. So it's good for them also to learn about remote hiring, how you can hire you and in a way using digital platforms, and how they can manage the digital workforce. So my suggestion for you is that educate your clients or tell them if they it's possible that they don't like to do it, but you can approach them, guide them, and I don't think there is no extra cost to this, and for you it's beneficial for you that you will get ratings, you will get your first project, you will get the proof of portfolio, and they will give you reviews and ratings as well. You will start growing your profile, you start updating your profile. So I think this will work for you. And not only that, I have created how you can get more projects, how you can add experience in your portfolio, in your freelance portfolio, complete article written by me. You can find this in description, the link. And I also have written out 14 tips to get your first project, and there are so many guidance provided, written by me, and you will find them in description. If you follow this guide, if you like this video, or if you want to grow as a successful freelancer, you want to become a successful freelancer, and I don't think you don't like or subscribe this channel. There is no other thing you can do. So please subscribe this channel, and I will assure you that I will create consistently new videos, new topics on freelance, and I will do my best that will help you to become successful freelancer. And that's it. Thank you very much.